What's up, guys? Back again with another video. After getting scammed multiple times, I thought I'll give up on this YouTube career. However, unboxing seems to be a dying breed, so I'm confident that I want to do this full time and I want to keep the culture alive. So yeah, today I bought this thing, iPhone MagSafe leather wallet. It's made with premium European leather, as you can see, natural leather. Yeah, it should be a fairly simple unboxing. Let's get into it. Wait, what the fuck? And they're giving a free what? Stay safe, boy. Rona out there. Apple. What the fuck? Where's the wallet, man? What the fuck, man? They gave me a fucking mask, bro. At least it doesn't even have a logo. What does this say? It says medical device interference. Yeah, if you have something like a pacemaker or something, essentially this wallet would wreck you. But since I don't have the wallet, I guess I'll just wear the mask. How nice of them to give me a personalized letter though. But holy shit, man.